Are you looking for a way to keep your volunteers and organization members up to date on events in your nonprofit? Create a Google Calendar and publish it to the web in one easy step. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to use Google tools to better your nonprofit. Today, we'll show you how to create a Google Calendar for your organization. When in Google Calendar, select Create New Calendar. Add a name and description and set permissions for who can access the calendar. You can include all members of your organization, certain members, specific groups, or make the calendar accessible to the public. So there you have it. Create and publish an events calendar for your organization in one easy step. If you have any questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more information? Check out google.com/nonprofit.